Using credit card points can be a great way to maximize the benefits of your credit card. But it can be confusing if you do not know where to start. The first step is to understand how your credit card points work, including how you earn them and what you can use them for. Typically, credit card points are earned by making purchases with your credit card, and the number of points you earn per dollar spent varies depending on the card. To redeem your credit card points, you will usually need to log in to your credit card account online or through the credit card issuer's mobile app. From there, you can browse the rewards catalog and choose how you want to use your points. Some common ways to use credit card points include booking travel, such as flights or hotel stays, getting cash back or statement credits, or purchasing merchandise or gift cards. When redeeming your points, it is essential to consider the value you are getting per point. This can vary significantly depending on how you use your points, so it is crucial to do the math to ensure you are getting the best value. For example, if you have a credit card that offers 2 cents per point when booking travel, but only 1 cent per point when getting cash back, it would be better to use your points for travel. Another key concept to understand is the different types of credit card points, such as transferable points, which can be transferred to airline or hotel loyalty programs, and fixed value points, which have a set value per point. Transferable points can be highly valuable, as they offer flexibility and can often be redeemed for high-value rewards. But they can also be complex to use. To get the most out of your credit card points, it is a good idea to have a strategy in place. This might involve focusing on earning points in a particular loyalty program, or using your points for a specific type of reward, such as travel or cashback. It is also essential to keep track of your points balance and any expiration dates, to ensure you do not lose your points. In addition to understanding how to redeem your points, it is also crucial to be aware of any fees associated with using your points, such as booking fees or foreign transaction fees. By being mindful of these fees, you can avoid unnecessary charges and get the most value out of your points. Overall, using credit card points requires some knowledge and strategy, but it can be a great way to earn rewards and maximize the benefits of your credit card. By understanding how your points work, considering the value you are getting per point, and having a strategy in place, you can get the most out of your credit card points and enjoy the rewards you have earned.